Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel VN Homeopathy. In this video, we'll do a comparative study of the remedies in respect to the rubric anxiety about health. So, one of the most important remedies, we'll start in this order. Arsenicum album. The anxiety about health, we know arsenicum has anticipatory anxiety, he has hypochondriacal anxiety, and when the anxiety related to health ultimately culminates into a fear of death, his own idea, the idea of his own death is undigestible, is very unacceptable. That comes as a very shock to himself. So he fears death, and that is why he starts exaggerating all his symptoms. He fears that he has some fatal disease, like he has a fatal disease, for example, cancer. So he doesn't think that in future he'll develop some disease. He thinks he has some fatal disease now, and he moves and for this reason he starts exaggerating his symptoms, and he moves from doctor to doctor to confirm his fear. So even if all the investigations are normal, it is very difficult to convince him that you are in a state of good health. Now, coming to Calcarea carb. Calcarea carb has anxiety about developing infectious disease, or he or she feels that he'll land up in a state of insanity, and that's why we have this typical symptom, fear of losing reason, and he fears that people will observe her mental confusion. So for an arsenic, it is very difficult and undigestible idea to think about his or her own death. On the contrary, Calcarea carb can accept death with relative equanimity, but he or she can go into a state of despair about recovery. Kali carb has an anxiety that he will develop some disease in future. On the contrary, arsenic has that he has some disease, particularly he has cancer now. So phosphorus is also anxiety about health, for his own health, as well as anxiety about his family, friends, relatives. As we know, phosphorus is a very sympathetic remedy, but uh, phosphorus is very suggestible also. Phosphorus is very impressionable also. If he sees or hears about someone having a fatal disease or someone dying due to a fatal disease, he imagines that I may land up into such a disease. But on the contrary, he is very easily reassured. Arsenic is not easily reassured. Any amount of normal investigations cannot reassure him. Phosphorus is very reassured very easily. Nitric acid, kali ars, and arsenic are very difficult to reassure and convince, but phosphorus can be convinced very easily. Now coming to Kali ars. Kali ars has great anxiety for heart disease. He can accept the idea of death also. So, but when you start speaking to him about his disease, he starts to feel the anxiety. Right. Now coming to nitric acid and lycopodium. In lycopodium, the anxiety about health stems out from his inner weakness, his inner cowardice. He fears the uh, suffering that a disease causes. And as regards nitric acid, it is not much concern about the fear of death or the ultimate, but what he fears and what he is really afraid of is the morbidity, the dependency, and the expenses all that disease brings. So this was in short a differentiation of remedies regarding the anxiety of health. So if you like this video, if you really like the content, you like this video, subscribe to the channel and share this, and you may add your inputs in the comments, or ask any related questions. So these sort of videos will be regularly posted on this channel, so please stay tuned to this channel, and thank you so much for listening.